Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2018 Cadillac XT5 and we're going to do the front grille chrome delete installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the front grille. It's just a regular factory chrome grille, and this is how it looks after the installation. So we use the gloss black material, that way it matches with the color of the middle sections of the grille, and it also gives it a more sportier look. If you like the product, link for the product will be linked below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So before starting with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the panel. So to prep the panel, all you need is water and baby shampoo inside a spray bottle. Once you have your solution, spray it onto a clean microfiber towel, and then just start removing any contaminants that the grille may have. Once you're done prepping the grille, we recommend having the whole panel dry. That way the adhesive on the film sticks to the panel, because if there's still some small moisture left over, then the adhesive on the film would not stick on the panel even if you apply heat. So we recommend having everything clean and dry before the installation. So before starting with the installation, we recommend starting with this top piece first. The reason being is because since this is a separate piece, once you finish installing this one, you have an idea of where you're going to align the piece that goes on the outer side of the grille. So once you finish aligning it here, the next film, you'll align it where we left off with this piece here. So to get started, all you need to do is just make sure you give yourself enough material to cover the chrome on this side. So lift the film and apply it right on the edge, and make sure you have coverage on the corner here. And then you could follow the top section of the panel as a guide to align the film. So lift it carefully to align it, and then just follow the panel until you make it to the edge here. So it's only going to cover the middle section here. The same steps that you would do here, you will rinse and repeat to the other side of the panel. So once you place the film to the grille, grab your squeegee and start removing any air that's trapped behind the film, and also just helping tack down the film on the edges. For the top section here, you could tuck in the film or trim off the excess material. It's completely up to you, but just make sure all of this section, you remove the air. And now to help it tack down around the curve, all you need to do is apply heat and help it tack down little by little. So grab your heat gun and apply heat around the area where the curve is. That way we help the film tack down. And then also apply heat on the bottom section. That way we help the film tack down underneath the panel. So take your time, make sure there's no air bubbles, and just make your way until you reach around this area. And we're going to heat up around here once again, just to release the tension on the film and help it tack down. And just like that. And if you do happen to have a little bit of extra material, you would just trim it off. But once you finish tacking down everything, then we could trim off any extra material. And now we could trim off the extra material around this curve here since we don't need it. Now we can move on with the next piece. Now that we finished installing this panel, now we have a rough idea of where we left off. So just align the film to the top edge. So just place it down. That way you have both hands to work with on this top area, and just make sure you're covering the chrome. So roughly around there. And all you need to do is just help align the film to the edge of the panel. With your vehicle, it's going to be completely different. This grille, unfortunately, it's a little different from the other vehicles with the same body, but you have a rough idea of how to go about it. And just follow along. Once you place the film, then you can grab your squeegee and just help it tack down. Make sure you remove any air that's trapped behind the film, and then just help it tack down around the curve. And then just apply heat around the curve area here to help the film tack down to the curve, since it does have a little bit of tension. Let the film cool off for a bit. Slowly, little by little, start helping it tack down. And just apply heat all around the film just to help the film tack down faster. And then once we tack down the film to the panel, then we can remove any excess material we don't need. So there's a small gap in between the grille and the panel. That's where you would insert your blade and remove the excess material. And you would just continue this process, remove all the excess material, and once you're done, we can move on with the middle section here. So when it comes to the middle sections, when you see your grill, you're going to notice that most of the pieces are identical. So this one is almost the same as this one, and so forth. It's just the size difference. So when it comes to the installation, you're basically doing the same steps. So with this one, if you notice, this one is identical to the other ones. Like I mentioned, it's just the size difference. So when you install these on this section of the panel, all you need to do is just align it right on the middle section of the Cadillac. There's going to be a body line of where the middle is. Just align it there, right in the middle. You could pass it a little bit. And then once you have it tacked down roughly around the middle, all you need to do is just align the film to the inside of the panel like this, and it should cover everything on the inside. If you need to lift the film to readjust it, you can, but it's pretty simple. It's just like this. And then once you place it, grab your squeegee, secure the top layer first, and then we're going to come back with our heat gun and just help it tack down with heat around this curve. Because if you notice, it does have a small curve on this middle section of each panel. So to help it tack down, all we need to do is just apply heat to release the tension. And then once we release the tension on the film, let the film cool down, and then just squeegee it underneath the panel, just like that. And if you have excess material, you would just trim it off, because there is this small panel in the middle of the grill. You're going to need to cut off the excess material, if not it's going to be lifting. So for each piece that you do around this area, just make sure you remove the excess material. So just tuck in first as much as you can. Once you place the film, you will come back with your blade and trim off the excess material. And now the film will stay tacked down, and you would just rinse and repeat the same steps. So now the panel's tacked down. There's one more here. This one should be good since it's more further in, but just always double check. And then right here, just trim off the excess material. We give you a little bit of more extra material just to have more coverage on this section of the panel. So just apply heat to wrap the film around the curve here. Let the film cool off and tack down to the panel. Once it's ready to go, hold it and trim off the excess material. And that's pretty much it. And you would just rinse and repeat the same steps that we did for this one to the other ones that look identical. So now we move on with this piece here. Like I said, it's the same as the other ones, but it's just different sizing. So now with this one, instead of starting on the middle section here, we're going to start by aligning it on the edge here. That way we know we have enough material to cover the curve here and the entire panel covering here. So once you align it there, slowly apply it on the top edge here, and then just make your way until you reach it to this end. Once you place the film to the panel, we're going to grab our squeegee and just start tightening it down to secure it to the panel. We're working with the flat area first. And the same steps that we did for the bottom, we'll rinse and repeat for this section here. The only difference is because this one does have a curve here, we're going to need to apply a little bit of heat just to help it tack down. So let it cool off, and with your squeegee, just tack it down, and everything should tack down here. And then all this is excess material we could trim off. So just apply heat, help the film tack down underneath again, and then afterwards, we will trim off all the excess material. So lift the film carefully since it is touching the bottom piece that we installed, and then just tack it down. Up it around underneath the curve. And that's pretty much it. And now come back, removing the excess material, and that's it. And that's pretty much it. And now just to secure the piece, we would apply heat all around the film. And now you just rinse and repeat the same steps that were done for the lower piece and this piece we just finished to the next two until you reach it here, and you're done. So once you finish with the whole installation on both sides of the grill, the last thing to do would be to post heat the entire panel. So to post heat, all you need to do is use your heat gun and apply heat all over the film, making sure if there is still some film lifting, you help it tack down. And we're also just helping the adhesive on the film activate faster. That way it sticks better to the panel. And then once you're done with the whole process for post heating on each side, then you're done with the installation. So just take your time when you're doing this step. That way you help the film cure faster. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. So that concludes the installation video for the front grille chrome delete for the 2018 Cadillac XT5. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.